We get to understand, say, apart from all of this building we are going, una build dance class to the youths and all kind of other activities are going, but some peculiar activities are going on in the community as well, King, don't it?
So, now we are getting to the meat of the matter. Because I know you is not one of them frivolous man there, you know. Yes, there is a little situation.
So, if I wasn't here playing tourist, I wouldn't know what going on.
Savage. Between me and you is wet work specialist. So I did want to make sure so the little groundwork is done. So when they wet it for one, you know exactly where it's for shed.
Oh boy, it looks like some get a district council in another community. Huh? So what do the groundwork? You?
No, somebody very close to you.
Ross.
And that you call her? She been on the case. However, all of a sudden it seemed like she just gets sidelined. Hey, you don't know if you come to think of it. I wonder if there's some intent for she in the panda case. Yeah.
King, you confuse me. I don't know who you're talking about or what you're talking about. Remember, so when I just reach, I tell you, I'm just a tourist passing.
Alright, Savage. Let me give you some perspective. A young lady, the one who used to work in the bar there, has turned up missing. The same evening, she was the one conducting the dance class. And Miss Brissett, who was the prime investigator upon the case, now turn up prime suspect based on evidence found in our vehicle, fraudulent or otherwise.
We really are settled. King, and she not say nothing to me. I mean, I know nothing about it.
No, you see my surprise. Because honestly, I think you just come here and bullshit me.
King, you might not know. Miss Brissett can be a lot of things. She no fool. And one thing me know, she not get involved in a kidnapping. As a matter of fact, she so clean. Should have never involved in anything, brother, outside of the law.
Brother, you're preaching to the choir. I just want to know who and why.
Well, you know, King, me I wonder, how come you know and me no know?
Simple. Because it happened on my ground.
Ah, you're right. But here's a problem, King.
What that?
Her being off the job, not have nothing to do with the ground. So again, me I gotta ask you, how you know the part there?
Well, let me tell you this. I was there in the car with her when this so-called evidence was found, and based on a conversation I just have with her 2 minutes before you reach her, even though she never want to divulge everything, I could have surmised officially they'll take her off of the case.
Reasonable. Tell you what then, since you know, come tell me now, man, and give it to me like somebody we don't really know nothing at all. Yeah?
Well, watch your one. It's like we go over one.